Hello everyone, welcome to Learn Geography with Shyamal. In this class, we are going to discuss about the contemporary trends in Indian geography, cartography, thematic, methodological contributions. But this is an important topic in terms of UGC NET examination in geography, paper 2. Okay, this is the course overview. Post-independence context, rule of geography after 1947, key geographers and institutions, shift from colonial to developmental focus. Cartographic contributions, Survey of India and NATMO, notable Indian atlases, quantitative and remote sensing revolution. Thematic contributions, National Atlas and thematic mapping, rule in development planning, multidisciplinary applications. Methodological contributions, from descriptive to normative quantitative evolution in India, indigenous methodological evolution. Okay. First of all, post-independence geography, 1947 onwards. 1920s and 1930s, descriptive methodology provide factual information to colonial administrators. Late 1930s and 1940s, R.N. Dubey, S.P. Chatterjee, M.H. Rahman shift to explanatory description. Post-1947, Nath Sundaram Mishra Roy, development-oriented regional strategies. Early 1970s, nomothetic and deductive approach, quantitative revolution emerges. Post-independence leaders, post-1947, George Kurian, S.P. Chatterjee, C.D. Deshpande, B.L.S. Prakash Rao, R.L. Singh, Muhammad Shafi, Muzaffar Ali, R.P. Misra, and Manjar Alam. Okay, then cartographic contributions, key institutions, Survey of India, oldest and largest mapping organization, produces topographic and contour maps on uniform scales. NATMO, National Atlas and Thematic Mapping Organization, central to thematic cartography. INCA, Indian National Cartographic Association, promotes cartographic research and standards. Similarly, modern techniques in cartography, traditional knowledge, map scale, triangulation work, precision leveling, plane table survey, enabled modern contour maps on uniform scales, quantitative methods, computer processing of data for precise mapping, automatic mapping plus remote sensing, rapid transformation in cartographic field. Net key points, Survey of India plus NATMO plus INCA played key roles, map scale and triangulation known since ancient times, remote sensing and computer processing, okay, lead to cartographic revolution. Notable Indian atlases, cartographic contributions, Atlas, Cartographer and significance. Planning Atlas of Andhra Pradesh, S.M. Alam, comprehensive state-level planning resource, hallmark of Indian cartography. Resource Atlas of Tamil Nadu, E. Ramesh, thematic mapping of states, natural and human resources. Planning Atlas of Uttar Pradesh, L.R. Singh, spatial data for UP regional planning, widely referenced. Census Atlas of India, B. K. Roy, demographic cartography, essential for population geography. National Atlas of India, NATMO, 1954, multi-volume thematic atlas, physical, economic and cultural. Okay, remember the Atlas cartography pairs, S.M. Alam, AP, that means Andhra Pradesh, A. Ramesh, T.N. Tamil Nadu, L.R. Singh, UP, Uttar Pradesh, B.K. Roy, Census Atlas of India. Thematic contributions, NATMO, National Atlas and Thematic Mapping Organization, established in 1956. Thematic cartography received a major boost since independence 1947, especially after NATMO's founding, produces the multi-volume National Atlas of India. Development planning, thematic maps actively used for spatial planning of infrastructure, agriculture, industry and social services across India. Administrative use, administrators, planners and technologists increasingly rely on thematic maps for evidence-based policy decisions. Multidisciplinary application, specialists across social sciences, physical sciences, biological sciences and art sciences use thematic cartography. Net key points, NATMO set up in 1956, thematic cartography, boost post-1947 independence, used by administrators, planners, technologists, biological and art science specialists. Methodological contributions, problem identified, Indian geography faced over-dependence on foreign concepts and methods, consequent impoverishment of indigenous methodological systems. Colonial era, 1920s to 30s, purely descriptive methodology serving colonial administrative needs. Possibilistic, late 1930s to 1940s, shift to explanatory description, R.N. Dubey, S.P. Chatterjee, M.H. Rahman. Development, post-1947, applied geography, spatial information demand, government data agency. Quantitative revolution, early 1970s, normative and deductive approach, quantitative techniques revolutionized. revolutionized geography. Okay, nomothetic means law seeking, hydrographic means unique description. Quantitative techniques revolutionized geography. Shift from possibilistic to explanatory to nomothetic. Okay, these are some net MCQ practice. Question 1. Which organization was primarily responsible for thematic mapping in post-independence India? Correct answer will be option C, NATMO, established in 1956. Question number 2. The planning atlas of Andhra Pradesh was prepared by. Correct answer is option number B, SM Alam. Question number 3. The shift from possibilistic thinking to explanatory description in Indian geography is associated with. Correct answer is option number B, R.N. Dubey, S.P. Chatterjee and M.S. Rahman, late 90s, early 90s. This is a comparative summary, contribution, key institutions and persons, methods used and outcome. Cartographic survey of India, NATMO, INCA. Triangulation, precision leveling, remote sensing and computer processing. Modern contour maps, rapid transformation in cartography. Thematic, NATMO, established in 1956, SM Alam, A. Ramesh, L.R. Singh, B.K. Roy. Thematic mapping, multi-volume national atlases. Development planning, administrative and scientific decision making. Methodological, R.N. Dubey, S.P. Chatterjee, M.S. Rahman, Nath Sundaram, Mr. Roy. Nomothetic, deductive, quantitative techniques, revolutionized discipline, indigenous methodological maturity. Okay, all three contributions types are interlinked. Quantitative methods improved both cartography and methodology simultaneously. Indian cartography transformed through survey of India, NATMO and INCA from colonial descriptive to modern quantitative. NATMO 1956 revolutionized thematic mapping, atlases by SM Alam, A. Ramesh, L.R. Singh and B.K. Roy in landmark works. Methodological shift, descriptive 1920s, possibilistic to explanatory 1940s and nomothetic and deductive in 1970s. Quantitative techniques and remote sensing have fundamentally revolutionized Indian geography. Post-1947, geography shifted from colonial fact-finding to development, applied and spatial analysis. Okay, that's all for today. If you have any doubt or query, just let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Thank you.